Today is April 5th. Ambrose is 11 days old. And here's my mom, aka Grandma.
Yeah. Say hi. Say hi to Mommy.
Hi, Ambrose.
Right there. And Mommy. Yeah, that's Mommy. Yes, that's Mommy.
You're doing such a good job with them, Mom.
Now, there's Mommy. Looky up at there's Mommy. Yeah. We'd like to be covered a little bit. It's a little cool in here. Say hi to Mommy.
He's such a good baby.
Yes, he is. Yeah. What's wrong? Okay. See, we like to sit here and talk to Mommy. I wonder what that noise is.
I'll go check it out. I'll see if Bunny Sue's here yet.